subatomic particles are pretty awesome. They help us learn about the true nature of the universe and its origin. But what are they? Subatomic particles are classified as any particle that is smaller than an atom and is a part of it. At the basic level, there are the electrons, which are negatively charged, protons, which are positively charged, and the neutrons, which have no charge. That's what most people know about subatomic particles. But what if I told you that there are more? Okay, so now we're getting into the field of particle physics, a field that most people have never even encountered. So let's get to classifying. First, we have two types of subatomic particles: elementary and composite. Elementary particles are the most fundamental particles which are not composed of any other. Let's talk about elementary particles. And first, the most important one, the fermion. Fermions are matter particles which follow the Pauli exclusion principle. This is a fancy way of saying that no two particles can have the same quantum position at the same time. It's like saying you can't think of having pancakes and waffles for breakfast because you only have the money to buy one. There are two types of fermions: quarks and leptons. Quarks combine to form protons and neutrons because they interact with the strong force, which is a special force that only quarks use. Leptons are particles that don't feel the strong force. These particles make up electrons and other weird particles like neutrinos. Fermions are the base of most physical things we see today. Now we have another type of elementary particle, the boson. Bosons are what we call force carriers, and they don't follow the Pauli exclusion principle. All the four fundamental forces are made up of them. First, we have the electromagnetic force, which is made up of a photon, or a light particle as we call it. The weak force, which is responsible for radioactive decay, is made up of weak force bosons. The strong force, which holds quarks together, is made up of gluons, like how glue sticks stick two things together. Gravity has a potential one called the graviton, but we really haven't proved it yet. So, those are the two elementary particles and their types. In the next video, we'll discuss composite particles, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. And as always, stay curious like the child. The world needs more of it. Bye!